back up that way. Now this pulled mine forward of that because this hole was kind of big because I've stitched this 2 or 3 times. So that makes it a little bit difficult, you know, to keep it nice and straight. So again, I'm going to go through here to this side and come out through the hole in the back. Pull it, leaving the loop. Now when I bring the needle up, where do I want it? In
Forward.
front or behind?
Forward or down.
Good. So in this case, you use the term down, I'll go with that. So down, it's on the continuing side of my loop. Do I come all the way out or halfway? Just part way?
That way.
Not any further
Okay.
than your loop.
And then what?
Half inch.
Clockwise.
Good.
Clockwise.
Clockwise, and the loop goes over. Okay. Now what? Through,
Through.
and pull it up. And then
Says that side.
underneath.
Yep.
Just hold it there, and then I'll go around. Now I can go ahead and I can cinch this first part down, rocking it back and forth. And now what?
Half inch.
Half inch underneath.
Half inch underneath, good. Bring that up. And then go ahead and rock that down again.
Rinse and repeat.
Rinse and repeat, right. And then take your end here and go ahead and push that down inside. And sometimes they don't want to go down until you get the next step, the next stitch down. But that works out nicely. That worked out good. And then you can just take this and flatten that out, and you'll be able to do the same on the next side. Okay, so I'll do this one, and then I'll do the last one so we can see how we finish it.
I'm gonna record it this time.
Okay, so we come up through.
You should go out doing pop rivets and not.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Up and through to the next hole.
Right through the hole. And do I leave that loop there?
No.
No,
Very
pull it
good,
right.
very good. See, I'm testing you guys. That means you're learning, that's good. Come through here to the other side. And see, when you've got somebody, you know, and you can sit here and you can, you know, with the two of you, you can do this all day long, and you can chat and talk, and this will become mindless. And you watch the video of these gals doing it on Piper, and it's amazing. Of course, they're doing it so fast. Oh, by the way, if you screw up, and it comes off of there, no big deal, right? You just go ahead, since we're not tying any knots on here, you just slide it back on there, and you're good to go. Okay, so we leave our loop, right? We come up the next hole, we come up on the down side or in front of the thread. And here we go, right there. Turn which way?
Clockwise.
Very good. Over the end,
Loop clockwise.
up and through. Get that, take it out the bottom, put that in here, rock it, go underneath, pull it. This one I'm doing a little bit faster. Oops, and rock it.
Like you said, when it falls off, right?
Yep, there you go. Yeah, those things are hard to pick up, aren't they? Thank you. And then go ahead with your end, just pop that through,
And then rinse and repeat.
rinse and repeat. And now we got the last one, which is a little bit trickier, but not terribly hard. It's just one extra step. Okay? So we come up through here, we catch our hole. This is where it's nice to have these needles nice and curved, which I did yesterday, or on some more, so I have enough. Come through here. I don't need that loop, right?
No.
Very good. Okay. Now I come through this side and hit that hole on this one. That comes through nice and easily. And leave the loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's my loop. Come through this side here.
Forward of the.
Forward, hold this back and go on the down side or front of the thread. Turn clockwise over the end of the needle.
So this is easier than the same
Oh
knot?
gosh, the same knot is crazy. I've watched it and I said, I'm not even gonna bother. It's just insane. And I don't mean that as a pun, but I do. It's really crazy. So we pull this over. Now this is the same. There's our first half hitch underneath there. We rock it. And now we put another half hitch.
And that's the extra step.
That's the extra step. We go back underneath here just like we did on the first one. There's our extra half hitch. Then we go ahead and push this head through. And there we go. Put that down in there. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the thread. I think I got that in there. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now to cut this tail here needs to be 3/8 of an inch away from your knot, 3/8 to a half inch. So I'm going to cut that off right there. I'm going to take my end of my needle and take this little tail here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to shove that into the hole. And it's going to disappear right inside there, and this is when it's really easy to get that knot to roll up underneath there. And get that knot worked around there. As long as it's below the surface, you're fine. And I can go ahead and I can flatten this out. And now our tail. Take your tail here, grab it, pull your tail, cut, and disappears.
Ah,
And you got it.
yay!
And then your other side is nice and flat.
Bravo.
And then you can go ahead and you can just take these and flatten them.
Now I just turned my video on.
Before it was off the whole time? Oh, bummer.
Clever.
That's funny, I've done that before.
You're averaging 1.5 minutes for each stitch, by the way.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, but that's while you're narrating
Yeah.
it.
Now, my understanding is somebody who really knows what they're doing